this episode, The Lost Art of Showing Up, Social Skills for New Entrepreneurs. If the start of your entrepreneurial journey happened during COVID, then odds are your social muscles are a little out of shape, or maybe they never got into shape in the first place. And in this business, relationships aren't extra, they're everything. So let's brush up on the basics of showing up so you can network with confidence, not cringe. Tip number 1, make eye contact. Eye contact builds trust. It says, I'm here, I see you, and I'm listening. It's one of the fastest ways to convey presence and confidence with no words required. So if you're at a round table and someone is speaking, don't scan the room, don't look out the window, look directly at the speaker, hold their gaze long enough to connect without being creepy. This is not a stare down. And remember, connection leads to confidence, leads to credibility. Tip number 2, shake hands. Yes, women too. A confident handshake isn't a gender thing, it's a leadership thing. And no, not a limp fish, not bone crushing, just a firm, intentional, and brief handshake. And a little tip, if your handshake begs, please like me, recalibrate it. Make it say, I belong here. Tip 3, put the phone away. Nothing says I'd rather be somewhere else like checking your phone mid-conversation. You're not just ignoring people, you're announcing that they're not worth your attention. Even if you're alone at a networking event, resist the urge to scroll on your phone. Stand with poise and make eye contact and give someone an easy opening to approach you. Leave your phone in your bag or your pocket, anywhere except in your hand, and only take it out for one of these 2 reasons. 1, to trade contact information, and 2, to chronicle the event for future use in marketing. When you're done with that task at hand, the one that required your phone, put the phone away again, out of sight. Number 4, dress the part. Your appearance speaks before you do. Dress like a professional, not just a guest. Crisp, confident, put together. And yes, that includes shoes and your posture. If your outfit says, I threw this on, your presence is going to say, I don't take this very seriously. Tip 5, knowing when it's not social. Networking events are working. They're not girls' night out, happy hour, or date night. Stay sharp, stay professional, and above all, stay sober. Nothing tanks your credibility faster than being that person. 1 drink? Sure. 2? Questionable. More than that? Not if you're serious about your business. Go home and do that. Business is built on connection, and connection starts with presence. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be real. You need to be respectful, and you need to be here. Brush up, show up, level up, and if you're ready to turn your professional presence into a thriving practice, we've got the systems to make that happen. Make sure you check out our video library for other helpful networking solutions, because as you'll hear me say often, you have to network. It's a non-negotiable. We'd love you to like, share, and subscribe for more fast 4-minute Maven insights. And as always, if you've got an extra 4 minutes, we've got an extra episode. Up next, out from the shadows, from back office to front row. It's your time, it's your turn. That sounds motivating. I'll see you there.